Hi everyone, welcome back. This is probably the last video for the Christmas season 2024. What I have here is an unusual engine I've picked up at the Greenberg show over the weekend. It's a pre-war engine. It's a 30, hang on a second here. I can't see it myself. Let's get a little light on this. There we go. 3235. It's a repaint. And these cars, these passenger cars, which are pretty nice. They're from around the same years made. 184, 185, and the observation of 186. They were all made basically around 1921 to 25 from what I was reading on them. It does work. The engine does work. It is a 040. It's got a manual reverse and forwards right there, that little switch. The cool thing is about these cars is the lids open up. Now, this one, they hang up a little bit. I don't want to break the tabs, but they lift off. They lift open. They swing open. Now it's off the track. Try this one. There it is. Oh, that one just came off. So I'll have to reattach that one. That's how they go. Very simply done. And the observation. Now I'm not going to force that one. Oh, with one hand. There we go. Okay. There we go. Nice brass fittings on the back. Very clean. Somebody redid them very nicely. And I'm going to run it here for you a couple times around. This is a short video. I'll be right back. Now you'll probably notice that the middle coach doesn't light. Whenever they redid them, they mounted the center pickups in a way that it just doesn't want to touch the center rail on the track. So I'm not sure what the solution is other than remounting it. And right now I'm not going to take it apart. I'm going to leave it as is. So here these go. Anyways, I'll go over here and get them going. Hang on a second here. Somebody's off the track because I was fooling with it. Let's try this again. Take two. And as I said, they were all made around 1921 to 24, 25, that era. The passenger cars are redone, so is the engine. The guy who redid them, I don't know who redid them, but they did a nice job on all the painting. They put the plastic windows in the passenger cars again. I don't know if they had them originally. They put them in there. What else can I tell you? Other than the fact it runs so smooth, as you can see. Pan out, there you go. Runs very nice, very smooth. Trouble-free. So folks, as always, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have some information on the IVES trains, please share them. We don't have a lot on it, only because I really don't collect IVES. This just happened to be right in front of me at the show, and it was such a good deal, the guy just wanted to sell them, so I was lucky enough to pick them up. Otherwise, please like, share, and subscribe, and as always, keep them running. I'll see you guys all again.